Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by unlocking the Redmi A1 and standing on the home screen you want to change. Long press an empty area until the Home Edit mode pops up, because this gives you access. Next, tap Widgets and scroll. You're looking for both system and app widgets. Once done, press and hold a widget icon to pick it up. You're preparing placement options and sizes, so make sure to watch how the grid highlights available space as you lift the widget. Drag the chosen widget to the home screen you selected and release it where the grid highlights. This actually places the widget. If the widget supports resizing, grab the corner handles and adjust to 1x1, 2x2, or a custom size so it fits your layout. Once positioned, tap the widget or its small settings icon to configure content and permissions. Because many widgets need app access to display data, make sure you allow finalize by arranging widgets and testing interactions. You can long press any widget to edit, move, or remove it to tidy the layout. If a widget shows stale or missing info, clear the related app cache or reinstall the app because widgets mirror app data. If problems persist, restart the phone and check for MIUI or app updates. One key troubleshooting tip: if a widget won't load, force stop the app, clear data. Then re-add the widget. This often resolves permission or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.